Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So before we begin, I would request all of you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and share with maximum people. Hit the like button if you like the video. Now, as the exams are nearing, a lot of people are already in tension, already in a lot of pressure. And I know a lot of people have already started believing that I will not be able to prepare for the upcoming exams and I should skip the attempt, right? So what is the real reason behind it? I just wanted to share with you people so I can help at least some of you to come out of this thing, right? And prepare well for your exams. What is the reason behind this? The main reason is that we focus on the results and we do not focus on the process. That is why I have written that focus on process and not on the result. What we are already thinking. What is a thought process? Now it is a very common for a student. This thought process is very common for a student, but we need to break it. What is the thought process? Thought process is that, sir, we are focusing on the result. Our mind is working in such a way that we are saying to ourselves, what if? What if? This if is a very big word. What if my result is negative? What if I'm not able to clear this attempt? What will my parents say? What will my peers say? What will my brother, sister say? What will my friend say? What if my friend clears the exam but I'm not able to clear the exam? What will happen? So a lot of questions are going on. And in the process, what we are losing on is we are not focusing on what we need to do. See, the result is not in our hand, but the process to reach a positive result is in our hand, right? So we are missing out on the process. The process, what we should think, we still have got 30-40 days for the exams. What we should think? We should think that how to make the best use of the next 30 or 40 days, irrespective of the result. Do not focus on the result, right? What do you need to plan? That how should I study in the next 30 or 40 days? I will give my best attempt. I need to prepare for the best. Rest, what will happen? I don't know. The result is not in your hand. You need to focus on the process. How I can make the best use of the next 30 days so that I give my best attempt in the upcoming exams, right? So the process, focus on the process, that how to prepare well, how to attempt the mock test papers. Focus on that I will prepare, I will do the written practice, I will cover up my weak areas, I need to focus on those areas, right? I will attempt the mock test papers, I will cover the ICISM, I will cover the RTPs, MTPs. You need to focus on the process and forget about the result. If you will focus on the result, you will not focus on the process, then how can you expect a positive result? If you will focus on the process, how to reach a positive result is in your hand. Create that mindset, very important. Say, take a very simple situation. You and your friend, both are studying from the same study material, both are studying from the same teacher, the same everything, you have taken the same classes, you are not able to clear, your friend is able to clear. What is the difference? The difference is the mindset. Every individual has a different mindset. You were always focusing on the result, that what if my result is negative? My parents will not allow me to continue with the course. Whereas your friend was always focused on the process. Right? He was always focused how to make the best use of the available time and how to prepare for the best. Rest, whatever the result is, that is acceptable. Even if once you have given your best, even after that, if your result is negative, you will not feel that much, because one thing is sure, that you will be satisfied that yes, I have given my best. And in the next attempt, I will also, I'll give better than this attempt, right? If you are not prepared, then do not expect a positive result. Prepare yourself, not for the result, but for the process, that you need to give your best. Whatever happens, don't know. किसी को नहीं पता future क्या है. Nobody knows what lies ahead of you, right? So just keep a positive mindset, a clear mindset, what you need to do in the upcoming days before the examination, how to attempt the examination. In the examination, just go with a clear mindset. Do not focus on the result. Forget about the result. Forget about one thing, that you will get a result of this examination. Just focus on one thing, that you have to give your best. You have to be your best version in this attempt, right? And nobody can stop you from getting the positive result. This is the difference why some of the people are not able to clear, because we people are focused on the results, right? Everybody is focused on the results. I want to get a rank, I want to get this much, I want to get this much. Why not focus on the process? Focus on the process, that I want to do this in the best way I can. I want to do the ICI study mat, I will do it in the best way I can. I need to practice these much questions for a particular day, I will do it with the concentration, with the focus, forgetting about the results, right? So guys, from today onwards, promise yourself and let me know in the comment section what you are promising to yourself, that you will focus on the process and not on the result. You will make the best use of the next 30 or 40 days, and always think that your result will be positive. You will give your best in the examination, not thinking what your result will be, right? You will prepare for the best and you will give your best. That is what your aim should be. And every one of you should tell me in the comment section whether you have made a promise to yourself that you will make the best use of the upcoming days and prepare and give your best, not focusing on what the result is going to be. Whether it is positive or negative, it is not in your hands, but preparing well for the positive result or for the negative result, whatever it is, giving your best in the preparations, giving your best in the examination is in your hands, and that is what you have to focus on, and that is what you have to prepare for, right? So see you guys, and I want that everyone should comment and tell me that yes sir, we have made a promise, and from now on we will focus on the process. See you guys, all the best for your preparations. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.